na underprivileged ay nais na matuto nga ng iba't ibang sports sa pamamagitan ng Milo Home Court, and with the digital era nga na dito mas maraming pa mga Pilipino ang magiging access sa mga pagganito mga sports tutorials na nakikita natin online.
Yes, so definitely this home court program is really especially for them as well, no? You can really, as you mentioned, you can really access the program from the phone. So you can go to your local barangay court, or you can do it from the house, no? And all you need would be a basketball. And I think that would be really helpful to the kids who aspire to want to be into sports but don't have the opportunity to do so.
Last question na lang. Recently, nag-host tayo ng Karate One Youth League Manila, and Milo has been very supportive nga dun sa ating grassroots programs ng ating Karate Federation. So, can you brief us an overview nga ng support ng Milo dun sa ating successful hosting nitong Karate One? Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So from grassroots to greatness na sinasabi natin this one, we are really proud that we are in partnership with AAK and Karate Pilipinas in hosting the One World Karate. Because nakita natin dito na from grassroots to global ang mga stories na nakita natin, especially after the wins ng ating mga Filipino karate athletes or mga gyms natin. Kaya tuloy-tuloy naman po ang ating suporta mostly sa mga grassroots, and again, we take pride dahil itong sinimulan natin na grassroots program with our partners, nakikita na natin na talagang sila ay nag-succeed at sila ay talagang nag-excel sa mga sports, even on a global stage. Thank you.
Carlo and Ian. Milo is celebrating its 50th year, di ba? This year. Yung program ng home